Welcome to the Design YouTube channel. Indulge the allure of contemporary design with hammock chairs that redefine relaxation and style. These innovative seating solutions blend sleek lines and ergonomic comfort, providing a modern twist to the timeless concept of hanging chairs. Discover materials like rattan or woven textiles in neutral tones, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. The minimalist frames and unique shapes of contemporary hammock chairs not only offer comfort but also serve as eye-catching focal points, enhancing the visual appeal of any room. Whether suspended indoors or on a chic outdoor terrace, these designs effortlessly bridge the gap between comfort and contemporary aesthetic, creating a cozy retreat in modern sitting. Immerse yourself in the gentle sway of these chairs, offers a sense escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The interplay of form and function in contemporary hammock chair design make them not just sitting but also artistic expressions within your living space, chosen from a palette of muted tones or bold statements to complement your interior and lets the suspended elegance of these chairs become a conversion starter with their unique blend of comfort and modern aesthetics. Contemporary hammock chairs from which to transform any space into a sanctuary of relaxation and style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.